Hey guys, we're out here today at the 1,450 yard target. I have my son Noah with the 338 Lapua. He's 9 years old. This is his first attempt at 1,450 yards. We're not going for 100 yards or 200 yards, we're going for the long shot. So welcome back to the next zip code, and we are shooting into the next zip code. Let's see how we do. Impact. You hit just low and left of the red dot. Alright, when you're ready, just aim just to the right side of the red dot, okay? So hold the right edge of the red dot itself. Ooh, you went to the left, off in the dirt. All right, so hold the right edge of the plate level with the red dot. Impact, high right. Okay, right edge of the red dot. How's that level?
Yeah, still level.
Good. Right edge of the red dot. Ooh, if I didn't see that, but you just went off the right edge of the plate.
So it's just one.
That's one. Impact, left edge of the plate, pretty well level with the dot. Here, let me just take a look real quick. Because if you were holding right edge that one time, unless the wind's picking up more down there and we don't even know it. So, when you're looking at the crosshair, the middle crosshair has to be right off the edge. Okay? And that first line to the left is what you're using. Okay? What one did you use? The one on the right?
Yeah, I might have.
Because that would have made sense of where you went. So just make sure you use the one on the left, because you're holding into the wind that way. So you got to push that crosshair into the wind this way. Okay? So the main crosshair has to be right, and you're going to use the left First line on the left.
Alright.
Yes.
That's the little one, the pretty big one, that just the first one.
Yep, the first one, that first big long line
Alright.
that you see on the left is the one that you're going to use.
Okay.
That last impact you had was a full plate width to the left, but you want to use the left line of what you're seeing, the big one. Put that right on the red dot. Oh! Dug the dirt up right in front of it. You hit the ground. It was perfect windage. Perfect. Perfect windage. Like you just dug the dirt right up. Perfect windage. Alright, try that again. Put it right off the... Do the same thing you did before. Hold the left line. So you're holding 2 MOA wind. Put that right there because you're perfect windage. Be real easy on that trigger. Keep it right there. Impact. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Not sure where you hit, but you got an impact. Maybe try the next, put the next hash mark on the red dot, okay? So you'd be 3 MOA into the wind. Ooh, low.
Tell see the bullet goes in the air, but
Okay, you sure hit it. I almost think you might have hit it on the right edge.
it's fine.
I think you might.
And then you're gonna shoot and you'll give me the bullet. I'll go back to put that bullet in there, and then I'll give you a new bullet.
Yeah. Then you can just grab another one. Just so that I'm just trying to keep them out in the shade. Very bottom of the plate. So
Just what I basically do on my first shot.
yep. All right, bud. I can get this one. I think that was the very bottom of the plate. I was holding 2.5 MOA wind. 2.5 MOA for wind. That one went right over top. So I have to come down and warn them away. Hit it, but the light didn't turn on. Yeah. I think I need to adjust the light sensitivity on that thing. This will probably be my last one, I imagine. Yeah, I hit it.
Did that turn on?
It did. The light did. Sometimes the light doesn't turn on. Once we figured the wind out, it all worked out quite well. So until next time, shoot straight, be safe, and one more thing to remember, a friend who can take out a target in the next zip code is not a friend you want to lose. Y'all take it easy now.